So in the last video, I went over missions 1 and 2 under challenge missions 1. In this video, I'm going to go over missions 3, 4, and hopefully also 5. I think I hopefully won't take too long on these two because I remember I've done some similar ones before, so let's go ahead and give it a shot. Mission 3, the pentagon. Go around the pentagon on your own. You've done a hexagon, now do a pentagon. Solve this pentagon on path the same way you solved the hexagon. Continue, okay? Loading the pentagon. Please wait while we remove one side of the hexagon, okay? Your friendly neighborhood tips are here to save you. Okay, okie doke. Okay. So let me... Okay. So we have to follow this path of the green energy cans around this pentagon. I'm going to go forward, I'm going to turn, go forward again, turn, go forward again, turn, go forward again, and turn, and then go forward. So let me go ahead and start off by moving forward. I'm going to get my robot from here to here, and I'm going to guess that it's going to take about maybe 4 seconds. So I'm going to put, well, first of all, let me make these buttons a little bit bigger. They're a little bit too small. That looks a little bit better. Okay, so let me move the camera this way. Remember, you can move the camera by pushing down on the right mouse button, and with the button pushed down, you can move the mouse around, and you can, that's how you can move the camera, and you can also zoom in and out with the mouse wheel. Okay, so again, I'm trying to get from here to here, and I'm going to guess that it's going to take about 4 seconds. So I'm going to click here, I'm going to add saturation, and I'm going to copy this little block right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put 4,000, because 4,000 milliseconds is 1 second. I'm sorry, it's 4 seconds. Okay, so it looks like I went a little bit too far. I don't want to go too far, so I'm going to try 3,500. And I'm going to run it again. Okay. Never mind. I'm going to go ahead and do 4,000. Or let's try 3,750. Compromise, right? 3,750. Okay, so that looks pretty much exactly where I want it. So now I have to turn left, and I want to keep using the angle turns instead of, using the old time-based turns that we used to do. So after I go here, I'm going to stop, which is this duration. So now I'm going to go ahead and add another drive power forward, so I can start my left turn. So to do the left turn, let's see if I remember correctly, I need to add steering, I think. The steering is going to be, let's see, I want to turn left, so it's going to be negative 100. And then I need to add a wait until gyro. Now here I need a positive number, so I'm going to turn, let's say, from here to here. I don't know if that's a 90 degree turn. 90 might be too much, but I'm going to try it anyway. So I'm going to leave this as greater than, and I'm going to put 90 right here. And I'm going to add another drive forward afterwards. So let's see if I did that right. Okay, you see what I mean? I had said that the drive forward, that the 90 degree turn was probably too much. So instead of turning 90 degrees when I get here, I'm going to try half of that. I'm going to try 45 degrees. So let's do that. Let's see what happens. Okay, even that's not enough. So let me try, I don't know, 60 degree turn. Okay, it needs a little bit more, so I'm going to do 70. Okay, 70 is too much and 60 is too little. I need this path to go straight through without going too far over here and also not crashing into the pentagon. So I'm going to try 65 degrees. Hopefully that works. Okay, good. Good. That seems to work out really nicely. So, now that I've got that figured out, I'm going to go ahead and add, let's see. I'm going to add duration here also, and I'm going to leave it also at 3750. And hopefully it'll stop right here. Let's try that. Okay. So hopefully I can just wrap a repeat block around this, and it'll work, I hope. Okay, so it's going to be drive forward, turn here, and then drive forward. So at this point I need to turn again. So I'm going to add a gyro reset, and let's see. I'll turn first, and then I'll make a copy of this, and hopefully that'll work. Let's see. I'm going to turn. Actually, I can just copy it. I'm going to copy this one. Copy this one. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but let's see. Okay, I forgot to add one down here. I guess after the initial drive forward, I can go ahead and copy that. Zoom out. Oh. There's no zoom out button here, but can I do that? Okay. Try to zoom out a little bit so I can get a better view of my code blocks here. Okay. So I'm gonna drive forward. And then at this point, it'll start, I'll start a turn and then go forward. I'll need to turn, go forward, and then turn, go forward, and then turn, go forward. And every time it's going to be a left turn. Left, go from here, I need to turn left. Once I get here, I need to turn left, left. And when I'm there, I also need to turn left. But here, it's probably going to be a different angle. So what I need to do is go ahead and throw these in the trash. After this initial drive forward, I'm going to go ahead and add a repeat block here. And these directions will be repeated, let's say, 4 times. Let's see what happens. Because I'm guessing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. That this turn here is going to be a different angle than these, but I'm not super sure about that. So let me put 4 there just to test this code and see if it at least gets me over here. Oh no, I'm getting closer. Okay, I thought that might happen. Every time that I turn, I get closer and closer to the shape. So if I want to get away from it, I believe I have to do less here. So let me try 63 degrees, and let's see what happens. Nope. Let's see. Let's try. I don't remember if. Let's see. Let's try 60 again. Okay, so that was. It would get me out. So let's do 62. Hopefully that's a nice compromise there. Nope. So it looks like 63 may have been the sweet spot up until a certain point. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change this to only get repeated 3 times. And then at that point that it stops, I'll go ahead and do a correction of the angle of the turn. Wow. That's interesting. Why did it correct itself there and not the other times? So let's do only 2 repeats. Okay, so let's see. At this point, I'm going to walk slightly forward a little bit more. So I'm going to duplicate this original block here. Of course, I don't want to walk that much, so I'm just going to put maybe 800 here. And hopefully that'll get me not too far past that corner there. Okay, never mind. It got me really far past that corner. So let me try, I don't know, 400? Half of that? Let's see how that goes. Okay, that's still too much. So let's try half of that. Let's try 200 here. A lot of trial and error in this one. Okay, that might actually work pretty well. So what I'm going to do now is just copy this one here and put it down here, and hopefully that'll be it. Let's try that. Yes, okay. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the pentagon. Next activity. The other way, you've made it this far, then going the other way around the pentagon should be easy. Alright? Let's try it. Calculating angles, same pentagon, just the other way now. Tips are good, whatever. That's fun. Okay, so let me zoom out, and yeah, looks like the same mission, just, in a different direction. So let's go ahead and add that drive power forward. I'm going to add the steering. Oh, no, duration at the beginning, just duration. Copy this. I do want the duration to be the same. 3,750 was what I had up here, I think. So let me just run that real quick to make sure that I have it right. Okay, so that looks like it'll work well enough. Let me zoom out. Oh, it's a little crazy right now. Okay. Okay, that's a good angle. So after that, I need to get another drive forward brick. I need to add steering, and I'm going to copy this block right here. And because I want to turn to the right, this is going to stay a positive number. Now I'm going to go to control flow and add a wait until gyro block. This time, because I want to do a right turn, I'm going to use a less than symbol here, and I'm going to use a negative number here. I believe I'm going to go with negative 63, I think was the number that we came up with. Because we're turning right, we need to add a negative degree angle here. So after that, I'll just add a drive forward block just to test it. Okay, good. I only want to drive forward for the same amount of time, 3,750. So I'm going to copy this guy, put him down here, and go ahead and add a gyro reset down here. Then I'm going to go over here and grab a repeat block so that I can wrap it around all of that. So grab all of this, put it here, then repeat this 4 times. Let's go through that process again. Maybe we get lucky and this one works the first time without having to change the code. No, we're not that lucky. Okay. Yeah, we're not that lucky. So let's go ahead and put 2 repeats here. Twice. And just run that again. Okay, so this one is a little bit different than the other one. Let's see. Okay, so this angle here is much wider than this one. So I actually only need to, I don't think I need that P block yet. I mean, at least it looks wider here. Maybe if I change the camera, it's the same. No, it does look the same. Maybe I got the angle wrong. Because that's the second time that it gets repeated. And it crashes into the wall. So maybe if I walk a little bit more. 3,800. Let's try that. See what happens. Okay, let's try 4,000 here. Oops, 400, 4,000. I thought it would be the same, but it's turning out to be a little different, apparently. Okay, so maybe that helps. Let me go ahead and repeat this 4 times. Oh, not 40, it's 4. Okay, no. I do not want to skip any of those. I'm going to try 3,900. Okay, that worked out really well without having to, make a copy of this code right here again. So maybe in the first one, I would have been better off by using a different distance down here instead of having to copy that again. Okay, congratulations, you've successfully completed the other way. Next activity. So let's try big challenge 1. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I went ahead and did mission 3 and 4. I'll do mission 5 in a different video, maybe this weekend, hopefully. Yeah, thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.